We have people representing the different policymakers, then academicians and researchers, NGOs and FPOs, farmers, and also we have included the young minds, mostly represented by school children.
In India, I understand that you're spending tens of billions on the fertilizer subsidy to support farmers. Now, food security is really important, but if the fertilizer is too cheap, it means that farmers are not well motivated to recover it and reuse it as effectively as possible.
Reduce pollution caused by reactive nitrogen and to improve air quality, water quality, soil quality, and to reduce the effects of pollution on greenhouse gas emissions and biodiversity.
Reactive nitrogen compounds are formed from that decomposed organic matter. Then some of them go into water, some of them go into air, some of them are taken up by the plants, and from plants you get all your food. Your nitrogen actually doesn't come from air in our food, it comes from plants. Plants can take inorganic nitrogen, we cannot take. We need organic nitrogen.
I have a submission request to you.
Sure.
You continue to tell for 1-2 minutes. Have a pause. As we have got few participants, farmers, they might not understand you. With your permission, we will translate in our local language. Then we will request you to continue. Is that okay?
सीधा सीधी भाव चाषर करुँचे किए पाठ पढ़ाऊँच किए गवेषणा करुँच आउ किए भी आमर अच्छा जो अनुष्ठान माने आमर चाषी मानक जो अनुष्ठान रु आसने भी अच्छा तेणु जेहेतु आमर विभिन्न वर्गर लोक गोटे गोटे टेबुल आम बसी तो से कौन कौन माने अच्छी से जो चार्ट पेपर गोटे दिखाई से आम काम कर
If nitrogen, definitely yield will increase. That's why people are applying, still applying and applying and applying. But there is a cut-off point where yield and the economics, see, both things have to be considered. So any environmental impact and economics and environment and yield, these three factors.
सार जो चाष आम करुचे अधिक सार व्यवहार कर दूचे जो जमी रे नेक्स्ट ईयर को जो चाष करुचे ताकू जदि सही अनुपात सार परिमाण न बढ़ाऊे से भल फसल हो नहीं माने ऑटोमेटिक बढ़ी बढ़ी चलुची सार माने बढ़िया पड़ो ना से माटी चाष हो नहीं एवं माटी मध्य से खराब करूची तापर पानी मध्य खराब करूची माटी खराब होची पानी खराब होची आमे जे खाद्यटा खाऊचे सेटा मध्ये आमे खराब आकार रे खाद्य खाऊचे.
Thank you for acknowledging the fact that I brought the point that we need to get more involved, us as the youth, in the field work, how they are working, what are their problems, and knowing the root causes, because just having bookish knowledge is not enough, and hence I was going in the point by saying that we need to have more awareness about what's happening around us.
However, as today we see, due to the excess of artificial nitrogen in the nature, many issues are being faced and it may increase, and that is what we are here to discuss on.
Water bodies, there are entire inbuilt ecosystem inside the water. For example, the mini microorganisms that live there. As urea is a very reactive nitrogen, or we make it, or we say it as a reactive nitrogen, it is very soluble into the water.
Way forward. After this most interactive workshop, we plan to take the learnings for field-based interventions and try for behavioral change in the knowledge and practice of farmers.